Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today we're diving into Chapter 17, How to Create Peace and Happiness. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy teaches how to use the power of the subconscious mind to create peace and happiness in your life, no matter the circumstances. Dr. Murphy explains that peace and happiness come from within. When you cultivate positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, your subconscious mind aligns with them, bringing more of those experiences into your life. To create peace, Dr. Murphy suggests using affirmations like, "I am at peace with myself and the world around me." Repeat this affirmation regularly and feel the deep sense of peace and calm it brings. For happiness, the key is to focus on gratitude. Dr. Murphy recommends practicing daily gratitude by acknowledging the positive things in your life. The more you focus on what you're grateful for, the more happiness will naturally flow into your life. Visualization is another powerful tool. Imagine yourself surrounded by peace, joy, and happiness. Visualize every area of your life, from your relationships to your career, radiating with positivity and fulfillment. Dr. Murphy reminds us that peace and happiness are your birthright. By focusing on positive thoughts, affirmations, and gratitude, your subconscious mind will manifest these qualities into your daily experience. That wraps up Chapter 17. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to develop the mental strength to overcome life's challenges. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next enlightening chapter.